Hello, in this video I will explain how to install the electronic components of a remote control airplane. If you have any questions about which pieces to purchase, consult Google. To make your plane fly, you will need the following pieces: a transmitter and receiver, a motor and propeller, an electronic speed control unit or ESC, a battery and battery charger, 2 servos for a 3-channel plane, or 4 servos for a 4-channel. Step 1. Connect the motor to the ESC using the 3 black plugs. Order does not matter quite yet. Step 2. Connect the ESC to the receiver in channel 3, which is by default the throttle. Note that everything plugged into the receiver is oriented with the brown cable on the bottom. Step 3. Connect the battery to the ESC using the large yellow plug. If done correctly, the ESC will beep and the receiver will begin flashing. Step 4. Connect the transmitter to the receiver. If they came pre-paired, you will immediately gain control of the motor. If they are not already paired, consult your transmitter's instructions on how to do that. Step 5. Attach the servos to the receiver in slot 1 and 2. If done correctly, the servos should immediately assume neutral position and become controllable. If your servo arm is not installed, do this now in an equally neutral position. Step 6. Test the motor direction using the transmitter. A piece of cardboard can help you identify the direction if you're having trouble. If the direction is wrong, swap any 2 of the black cables connecting the ESC and motor. Warning: never perform this test with a propeller. It is easy to cut yourself. Once the 2 cables are swapped, the motor's direction will be reversed. Step 7. Install the motor and servos onto the airframe. This plane already has them installed. When you are gluing the servos in place, ensure that they are connected to the transmitter and in neutral position, and that the attached control surfaces are also in neutral position. Step 8. Perform your final control check. Use each transmitter control in turn to ensure the plane is performing properly. If a control surface turns too sharply in any direction, most transmitters can be programmed to limit this. Once everything checks out and you are ready, install the propeller and fly away.